This is a public service.
Judge Angela Martinez is the best kind of human. She is open-minded, thoughtful, kind, thorough, and a great colleague. Appointment under Article 3 of the Constitution. Federal district judges are nominated by the President, confirmed by the Senate, and serve lifetime appointments upon good behavior. Well, good behavior, huh? Does this sound like good behavior?
You reached the chambers of District Judge Angela Martinez. There's currently no one available. Please leave a message and we will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Judge Martinez, this is Lane Myers again, and again, and again, and again. 520-771-2021.
Matt.
All my charges are dropped. Like it never happened. 16-0. Cases dismissed. Never happened. So you fired Cat over some bullshit. But let's get this straight. You're supposed to be a judge, right? How the fuck did you become a federal judge and you don't know what the fuck due process is, right? How the fuck can you be a judge and don't know what due process is? You didn't even give your own fucking employee due process, right? You swore a fucking oath to give everybody due process, you bimbo. Now listen, you owe her an apology, okay? It is what it is at this point, but you owe her a fucking apology, okay? You stabbed her in the fucking back. You did not let the court process play out. You leaped to conclusions. You fucking panicked, and you got rid of the best employee fucking down there, and you fucking hurt your own career by doing it like a dumbass, okay? You literally made your job harder because you fucking panicked over some kangaroo petty ass shit in these fucking kangaroo courts in Tucson. So I hope you sat back and watched all your fucking buddies in the judiciary look absolutely fucking stupid trying to falsely charge me, right? And then now your involvement is this, you're the fucking kangaroo judge down at the federal court who tainted the entire court against me now. How the fuck am I going to come file my 1983 lawsuits against all these morons who fucking falsely arrested me that led to her being fired? So now you fucking fired her and prejudiced me throughout the whole court. How the fuck you got your buddy Stacey Jane, who you were besties with for 13 years, fucking Zips, you, Rosie, all you are fucking in on it now. How the fuck can I get a fair fucking trial down there when you dumbasses are down there fucking gossiping like little high school kids about me, okay? You're supposed to be the highest level of professionalism and due process in the fucking country, okay? You're an absolute fucking embarrassment to the bench. You were rushed in there. You should have fucking got your chops on them fucking as a magistrate. You were rushed in there as a DEI hire. You're not qualified for the job because you think like a prosecutor and you're a fucking judge. You saw 2 minutes of fucking evidence and you rushed to fucking conclusions and you got rid of your best fucking employee. Angie, you're in for life. It's not like if you would have kept her, you would have got fired, you fucking moron. Now you better give her a fucking apology, okay? Your ass is gonna be drugged through the court of public opinion, but somewhere there's somebody who worked their fucking ass off for their fucking career only to have you stab them in the fucking back. It is what it is at this point because nobody wants to work for your ass anyways, and we're gonna make sure that. So that all the fucking potential law clerks know how you fucking stabbed your own law clerk in the back for something she didn't even fucking do. Now fucking you want to have this as a fucking grown-ass conversation, I'll leave the profanities at home. Otherwise I'll keep fucking calling you, okay? It ain't no fucking crime to call you and tell you you suck at your job and it was fucked up what you did. And it's not just gonna be me calling either telling you you suck at your job and it was fucked up what you did. Because every fucking person can understand and have empathy with the situation. I was falsely accused and you fired my fucking wife. You're a fucking clown, okay? Put your fucking makeup on, put your little red nose on, and go practice law from the bench. You're not a prosecutor anymore, okay? Learn what due process is. I know you were trained not to give that, but somehow you made it as a clerk for Zips for 13 years. You had to know what due process is. Then you went and got brainwashed at the prosecutors. Even they know what due process is, Angie. Are we living in a Handmaid's Tale? Do you want to be fired for something your husband did? We're not even married either, okay? And this was petty bullshit that had nothing to do with her. You really need to reevaluate what kind of person you want to be, okay? Do you want to panic? Or do you want to take a deep breath, sit back, hear both sides of the story, make a determination? That's called being a fucking judge, bitch.
Reach the chambers of District Judge Angela Martinez. There's currently no one available. Please leave a message and we will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
They don't know me, son. Get it. 18. They don't know me, son. Get it. 19. They don't know me, son. Yeah. 20. You got some more in you. 21. Yeah. Get it again. Come on. We want to see it. Good. 22. Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs? That's you, buddy. Come on. 23. Come on. 24. One more, David. Who's one more to carry the boats? You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. You did it. Yeah.
We're out here today to ensure our natural rights are respected by those who swore an oath to support, protect, and defend the rights of the people. The purpose of all interactions is to peacefully promote government accountability and transparency. Please like, share, and subscribe so this message can reach as many people as possible. I implore you to peacefully seek redress to any and all of your grievances. This is a public service.